Today we're going to open the Primiera Bolognese, card deck. Hi, welcome to Playing Games. I'm Chris, and today we're going to unbox some playing cards. This video is a continuing look at the Italian regional card decks. Over the course of 16 short videos, I will be opening all of the Italian regional packs, and we'll go over what makes these unique masterpieces tick. Let's go! Today we're going to open the Primiera Bolognese card deck. Why is this called Primiera Bolognese and not just Bolognese? Bolognese. Well, Primiera, the ancient Italian card game that became poker, needed just 40 cards. And what's Primiera? I wonder if anybody made a video just about Primiera. That'd be great. Oh wait, there's one. Primiera might be the world's first. Your likes on that video will make me not feel so bad about wasting so much time researching it. This style pack might be one of the most ancient Italian card decks of all. The Bolognese Tarot deck was first produced in the 1440s, and this Primiera Bolognese deck is a direct relative. As with many northern Italian decks, these honor the history of East meets West, the Chinese suits, which became Muslim suits, and then the addition of the court cards by the Italians. All of that history is present in this pack right here. It's really a beautiful living historical document. However, this preservation comes at the cost of playability. For example, the 4s and 5s of the cope or cup suit are quite busy and hard to read. These cards are also traditionally tall and skinny, which might make it difficult to shuffle or deal. The court cards have been modernized by being mirrored. They don't show the original full-length artwork. You can see that here in this older deck. A lot of the Italian regional decks are mirrored, but check this out. The pip cards are mirrored too. That can be helpful or it can be confusing. This also makes the aces pretty confusing too. Is this a 1 or a 2? The worst one of all is the 7 of cups. It has 7 two-headed cups. That card melts my brain a little bit. The king of denari happens to have 6 coins on it, which can be a little distracting. It's a 10 and not a 6. The other court cards are interesting. You have the traditional Muslim Saracen horseman in the sword suit. He has a curved sword rather than a straight one. The genders are a bit ambiguous for the Fontes and Reis. All in all, I like the artwork of these cards. The Ace of Swords is a bit confusing. It's an S-shaped snake rather than a sword. To further compound the confusion, the 2 of coins has a similar shaped ribbon. This was the hardest deck for me to track down. I found 0 of these in Italy, and I had to special order this one from the United Kingdom. Could I have just bought a Bolognese tarot deck and removed the extra cards? Absolutely not. I'm assembling the 16 official decks. This isn't some hack video series. I'm wearing a button-up. All in all, this is a nice North Italian suited deck. I really do appreciate the history and artwork behind these decks. And these decks are beloved for their legacy and for the many regional games these cards were designed for. Information is scarce when it comes to regional decks, so if you're from the Bologna, Ferrara, Centro region, or you know a lot about this deck, or you have a great spaghetti bolognese recipe, please share what you know in the comments and I'll do my best to keep that knowledge alive and eaten. This is just one of Italy's many regional decks, and you can see all the others right here on Playing Games. Please comment, like, and subscribe to help this channel grow. Also help support the hard work that goes into these videos by donating to this channel. You are great. Thank you.